Welcome to Part 90 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning English idioms with colors. Colors do a lot more than describe things in English. They express feelings, situations, and personalities. Let's start with blue. Out of the blue, suddenly and unexpectedly. He called out of the blue after 5 years. Feeling blue, feeling sad or low. I've been feeling a bit blue lately. Now green, green with envy, very jealous. She was green with envy when she heard about the promotion. Green light, permission to proceed. The project got the green light from the director. Now red, in the red, in debt, losing money. The company has been in the red for 3 years. Red tape, bureaucratic rules that slow things down. Getting planning permission involves so much red tape. Caught red-handed, caught in the act of doing something wrong. He was caught red-handed stealing from the till. Now white and black. White lie. A small harmless lie told to avoid hurting someone. I told a white lie and said her haircut looked great. Black market. Illegal trading. It was bought on the black market. In black and white, clearly stated in writing. It's right there in black and white. Read the contract. Colors paint a vivid picture in English. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.